to snow and ice, and we off. And winter storm like this down here. Baby, it's cold outside. Into Discount Tire. Custom offset. Hey, look now. Check this out. I'm happy about it. Alright. This is the wheels. See it? It's mean, boy. You like the new setup? Stay tuned. What it do? Looker Crew is your man, Two Looker, coming to you back with another truck modification or slash vlog. It's still cold down here in Texas. That's how cold it is. It's freezing my mouth, my jaw. Man, hey, I'm stocking up, as you can see, getting that food to grub just in case, you know. Push, got food on deck. You know, you can see that. Yeah, almonds, oatmeal, juice and stuff for the kids. Got some vegetables, potatoes. You know, hey, people are going crazy down here. They stocking up. A lot of people do not have their power on yet. Can you imagine being without electricity for an hour? How about for 12 hours? Better yet, let's double that. For 24 hours. A lot of people down here in Texas, north, south, east, and west, are without power. The big state of Texas was not ready for this winter storm at all. And we're gonna get on to it. You know, I just received one of my packages I got from Street Speed. Street Speed, if you don't know who Street Speed is, look him up on YouTube. He's a big YouTuber. This is some of his merch. I support, pretty much, I try to support all my my fellow YouTubers, OGs that's been doing it for a long time, that's been in the game. Street Speed, I support him. Crazy guy. He's the one who was infamous and famous for taking that Dodge TRX and jumping that bad boy, almost literally testing it to its limits, almost destroying it. And, you know, it was epic. It was legendary. And also, too, my man, Omi, of course, I already told you I support him. He's doing great things, you know. Hey, ain't nothing wrong with spreading the love, man. These people are OGs for a reason. They got over 500,000 subscribers for a reason. They give out great content and they give back. So that's what we're trying to do. We're trying to give y'all great content like these OGs that I just mentioned, Street Speed and Omi, but also too, we're trying to build up so we could be just like them and even greater. So stay with me, tell a friend, like, share, and comment. We're starting out with these truck modifications, but we're gonna take it further in the future. So you got to stay tuned to see what that's gonna be. I got some plans, I got some dreams, I got it going, and the next step is gonna be some merch that's coming up, you know, so you got to stay tuned. But right now, I'm gonna do a simple, I don't know, transformation, modification. Like I mentioned in my previous video, when I changed my tires. Hope you saw that. If you haven't, check out the link right up here. You'll be able to go see that. The Beast Mode tire addition to my Silverado. And also to check out the FedEx pickup when I went and picked up the wheels and tires from FedEx because they was delaying the drop off for me. So I went and helped them out. Help them help me. You know what I feel? You know what I mean? You feel me? But right now what we're gonna do is change my my Chevrolet letters to go with my theme of black and red. I just decided to go ahead and go with the black and red for now. So I'm gonna change those letters and we're gonna go on and get that busy. If you haven't done so, please hit that like button and subscribe. I am Two Looker. This is the Two Looker channel. Let's go, let's get it. He actually made a snow seat. You can't tell, but that's a snow seat right there. You know, hold down here. Let me turn the ride around so I can get busy. Dark Knight, Black Knight, or Black Pearl. As like one of the subscribers mentioned, I should name the truck Black Pearl, like that Pirates of the Caribbean, that pirates boat. I'm looking into that. I'm thinking about it. Let me know in the comments down below if you like Black Pearl for the name, or rather Dark Knight for it. You know, just let me know. Tell me what you think. Might do like a voting, what y'all like best. Either Dark Knight, Black Knight, or Black Pearl. That's gonna be the contest, and we're gonna see which name wins. Okay. These are things you need. I got my order of my red lettering that's gonna say Chevrolet in here, and I got my heat gun on top of my OEM tires. I got my plug for my heat gun. Heat the back of those, the ones I'm taking off. Easy. And then I clean it up real nice and neat, because I can pull this off because I'm getting ready to take it out. But you see, in the space, all I got to do is clean up with alcohol, take that Chevrolet off, and then this will be red once I finish. Okay, instead of Chevrolet in chrome, it's gonna be Chevrolet in red. Okay, so it begins with the heat gun. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna get it started. Real simple and easy modification. Takes probably 30 minutes. It's cold out here, probably 40 minutes. I'm gonna try to make it, because you know, the heat gun gonna be battling this cold, which is, I think, probably -0. So if my wife gonna keep hitting me with some honeydews, I'll be able to knock it out real quick. Think she want me to go do an errand. I'm gonna keep the video going. Let's go and crack the seal on these letters. My son ride. Got these bad boys in here. You got to wiggle it out. You got to wiggle it out. See, the rays right here. Got the Chevrolet, and it got the 3M coating on the back. Man, I only been out here a few minutes. My hands already froze, man. Good thing I got this heat gun over here that could warm me up real quick. Throw that in there. Chain. I don't need that right now. Take this one, log this. Got it plugged in. This doohickey over here. Put it at the base. For this, like so. Now heat gun is ready. Try that on a little bit, warm my hands up. Yeah, got it going on. Woo. Look. For that right now, basically, again, we're gonna heat the letters, extract them off the rear of the tailgate, and then we'll clean up the residue, the 3M coating that's sticking them to the tailgate, and then we'll use McGuire's to make sure we got everything off, all the sticky parts off, and then we'll put on the new letters. Make a quick trip, you know, slow down the process. My wife got me doing something, so I have to take care of real quick somewhere. But we'll get back to the update so you can see how to do it. Stay tuned. But you can see all the snow that happened down here. That's one of the highways. This is Interstate 35. Nothing but ice and snow. Even this way, even that way, you can see. But yeah. Y'all, I'm out here getting ready for work. But as I was cleaning the snow off my vehicle, getting ready to spray the ice on here, I noticed see, unknown tracks. If you look at them closely, that ain't no bird tracks. That's my big old feet. But them some If I zoom in on this mud, that's a freaking werewolf or coyote track. It's been rumored to say from my neighbors that even though this is a subdivision and it's new development all around, it's coyotes be roaming at night somehow, some way. Like was searching for something, for food or something. Then he walked out in the street, he went in a circle, then he went that way. That's crazy, right? Actually confirmed that it might be a coyote or a wolf. I think it's coyotes roaming the subdivision at night. Anyhow, yeah, I'm getting ready to go to work in this mess. Get this de-ice on. Shake, shake, shake. DFW stands for Dallas-Fort Worth area in Texas. It's a crazy winter storm, man. It's like we in the northeast or the northwest, Washington State or up in upper state, New York or something. It's crazy. You know, I know some of you from those areas probably like, it just snow. But yeah, I feel the same way. But again, like I said in the previous video, a lot of my Texas homies are not ready for this. It's really pretty. God knew we needed it. A lot of people need to slow down amidst this COVID stuff. But yeah, even Mickey D's, I can't get them at Griddle. Closed down. At Quick Trip, you know, Quick Trip gonna stay open. They stay open. That's the big gas station down here. You know, they serve food, everything. Got another one called Buc-ee's. Some of you may know about that. But yeah, we in beast mode. We in driving the snow mode too. But yeah, it's trucking along through here really good. So go to Quick Trip real quick. Give me a breakfast sandwich or something. You see we got a couple of, boy, look at that thing, boy, right there. It's amazing what a set of wheel and tires will do for a vehicle. Hope they got my breakfast sandwich made. I don't know if they got all the people up in here. It's amazing they said open, so. Got me they got this sausage, egg, and cheese square and a donut for later on. Here we go. I can get back to this project of switching out the chrome letters on my tailgate here to the red. Chrome off. I got my trusty equipment over here, my heat gun, and the letters. And started this yesterday, but then my wife had me do some honeydew stuff. So we're gonna put this on Okay, that took a little longer than I thought, but I wanted to make sure I had the surface absolutely clean and free of the old 3M tape debris. I wanted to make sure it was just straight metal, straight black. So when I put the new letters on there, it's gonna stick and stay there like it should. So yeah, that's why I put in a little extra effort. And that's why I use the McGuire's cleaner again. Boop. Does wonders. Professional fine cut cleaner. Does wonders, man. And use my trusty heat gun. So, and heat guns ain't no joke though. Boy, look at that, it melted that. What we've done right now is extracted the old chrome letters, utilizing my heat gun to heat the surface of the letters and take them off. I didn't even have to use like my trusty string to get them off. Once it's heated up, I had enough room to where I could use my finger to take the letters off. And then I used a McGuire fine cut cleaning for professionals to make sure I had it extra clean and gloss. It looks tight with the subdued letters like it is right now, but I'm not gonna keep it like that. I want that little red accent, so that's why I purchased the letters. The letter process, I'm gonna use a time lapse thing again. So here we go. You see the tailgate? You can see that subdued Chevrolet. Done, mission complete. Simple modification, and actually, you know, most of it just went real easy and fine. So here's the final look. See, we got Chevy, got it done. The black and red and chrome accent all the way around the vehicle. It's starting to take effect. So now I just got to do the Q&A cover, and then what I'm gonna do later on tonight, if I feel like it, I have a peel coat. I was gonna do the front where the bow tie is all red and leave the bow tie black. But what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna keep the chrome, but I'm going to put in red the red accent around the bow tie, keeping that black, but the outline of the bow tie will be red. So you'll see that probably pretty soon. I don't know if I feel like doing it tonight, but yeah. If you haven't done so, please hit that like button and subscribe. I am Mr. Two Look with his fresh two looks at truck modifications that you can do within, I guess, 30 minutes. Yeah, letters I ordered them off of Amazon. I will have that in the description down below. Like button and subscribe. As always, peace.